Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Budzić się.
To get up.
Wstawać.
To brush teeth.
Myć zęby.
To wash face.
Myć twarz.
To have breakfast.
Jeść śniadanie.
To take a shower.
Brać prysznic.
To go to work.
Iść do pracy.
To go to school.
Iść do szkoły.
To study.
Uczyć się.
To work.
Pracować.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.